Hello my dear students, welcome back to your grammar classes. Today we will be learning active and passive voice. Yeah, quite very simple but to follow the rules exactly. Fine children, you have done this in your previous classes also, correct? Let us see how this will go for your practice. Voice. We have two kinds of voices, active voice and passive voice. Active is what subject does, means if you are the speaker, what you speak, you are active, means you will be the subject. Passive, the focus is on the action. Fine. How the action is taken place, that is the passive voice. Done by, okay, eaten by, killed by, this becomes passive voice. Let us see one example here. Active, Ram killed Ravan. Passive, see, let me explain about this active voice. Ram killed Ravan. Ram is the doer, Ravan is the receiver. What happened? He killed. Ravan was killed by Ram. Fine. Now the receiver became the subject. Okay. Was killed by Ram. You have to concentrate on this. Was killed by Ram. Who was killed? Ravan. We have just changed the doer, he is sent to last, and receiver came first. Let me explain you with the rules. How to change from active to passive. Look at this statement. Ram killed Ravan. Subject, verb, object. Ravan was killed by Ram. Object, B-E-B, verb. Form of be, W-A-S, was. You have learnt in the beginning first class itself. Fine. V3 form. V3 form, past participle form, that is, if you remember, eat, ate, eaten. Kill, killed, killed, not killen. Okay. Kill, killed, killed. So V3 form is also killed. Was killed. Form of be is used here. Ravan was killed by Ram. See, subject went last and object came in the place of subject. Now, she helped him. He is helped by her. She became her. Fine children, active, the rule is given here. You can just see active is equal to subject plus verb plus object. Passive is equal to object plus be, form of be. Okay, is, am, was, are. Fine. Then V3 form, by followed by subject. She helps him. He is helped by her. Is also the form of BEB. I am buying a pen. A pen is being bought by me. Okay. You can see buy, bought, bought. V3 form is used. He has to teach us. Us became we. Let me explain you this in next coming up slides. What becomes what? Us became we. Like this, I have a list to explain you. Okay. He has to teach us. Us we don't start with. Us becomes we. Means plural subject it became. Object was us. When it came to the place of subject, it became plural subject. We have to be taught by him. He became him. Someone is following us. We are being followed. Okay. You can write it by someone. No problem at all. They have skipped, but we can add. Okay. We are being followed by someone. Very common rule is bring the object first. Choose correct BEB form. That is verb. Change verb into participle. Add by plus subject. She helps him. He is helped by her. Children, again rule is clearly given for you. Passive rule. Object plus be, that is verb form, plus V3 form plus by followed by subject. See here. Subject and object change. How the words change. What will be in subject and how it will take the object. I becomes me when they are interchanged from active to passive. Means when active changes to passive, when object and subject interchange their places, this changes also happen. I becomes me, we becomes us, you remains you, they becomes them, he, him, she, her, ram, ram. If noun is there, it will be noun only. Book, book. Fine. If any object or name is used here, it will remain same. But you can learn I, me, we, us, you, they, them, he, him, she, her. Now, if there are two objects, yeah, this is very important. Okay, use anyone. She told us a story. See, she told us. Us is the first object. A story is the second object. We were told a story by her. Okay, us became we were told a story by her. So, in this first answer, that is passive voice, they have taken this first object itself. Us became we. Now, let me take the second object. A story was told to us by her. See, any of the changes is correct. Both the objects, they have used one after one, but it is followed by its own discipline and rule. When us was used, it became we. But when a story is used, us is us only. Understood? They appointed him an ambassador. He was, see, him is first object and object 2 is an ambassador. He was appointed an ambassador. An ambassador was appointed to him. Fine? Both are correct. The story has taught us a good lesson. Again, we have been taught a good lesson by the story. A good lesson has been taught to us by the story. Children, the rules of tenses applies here. Fine. Now, has, have, had, is, am, are, was, were plus 2 plus V1 form means simple present. V1 is simple present. She has to help us. Okay. She has to help us. Active voice. We have to be helped by her. Us became we. Okay. Has became have. To be. See. To. It is accompanied by be helped by her. Okay. She became her. Just let me repeat. She has to help us. We have to be helped by her. Simple. We have to learn English. English has to be learnt by us. Fine. You can skip this, but better to use by us. I had to wait the bus. I had to wait the bus. The bus had to be waited by me. Okay. Had to be waited by me. Be is missing. So, make a note of that. Just write down. The bus had to be waited by me. Fine. Has, have, had to plus V1. Active voice. Okay. Has, have, had plus to be plus V3 form. Passive voice. Active to passive. Now, modal auxiliary verbs. Can, could, shall, should, may, might, we, would, must. This is very important for you to understand. Modal verbs plus V1 is equal to modal plus B plus V3. Children, active to passive is equal to means the other side. After is equal to, it is passive. Modal verbs. See, can, could, shall, should, may, might, will, would, must plus it will be V1 form. When it changes from active to passive voice, again the same modal verbs can, could, shall, should, may, might, will, would, must plus B plus V3 past participle form. She can speak Chinese. Okay. Subject to object. Now object will come in the place of subject. Chinese will be in the first place. Chinese can be spoken. See, can, that is modal verb followed by be. The rule is applied here plus V3. Speak, spoke, spoken by her. Chinese can be spoken by her. We must preserve the tigers. Tigers must be preserved by us. I am completing the sentence, but this is also absolutely correct. Must have, should have, could have, might have, would have plus V3 is equal to must have, should have, could have, might have, would have plus been. See children, with this been plus V3 makes your passive voice. But same again, subject and object will interchange. He should have stolen my pen. Active voice. My pen should have been stolen by him. Very simple. Okay, you have to remember the modal verbs plus been plus V3 to put it in passive voice. They must have left any sign. Any sign must have been left by them. Okay, now no need to add by plus subject if the subject is. See, this is one exam concept for you. Normally, exam questions, they will select one from this. We, they, someone, somebody, none, nobody, everybody, people, etc. Here, no need to add by plus subject, they are telling. They have stolen my pen. My pen has been stolen by them. Okay, they are telling that, no need asking that by them. By, see, last slide I was adding, right? Me and all. Here, by them. Even if you skip, it is no problem. But if you write also, no problem. Be very careful. They must have left any sign. Any sign must have been left by them. Even if you want, you can skip. No issues. Now, and children, when they give to interchange from passive to active, that will be the trick to confuse you here. So, you should learn. See, any sign must have been left. When you should change from passive to active, you should know that to add this they. So you have to learn this rule. Now, negative sentences remain negative. This is another important thing to keep a note. They have not stolen my pen. My stole has not been stolen. They must not have left any sign. Any sign must not have been left by them. If you are using use, otherwise by them can be left. Nobody has done homework. Homework has not been done by anybody. Okay. Look at the table here. Active and passive. Simple present. Simple present V1 or V5 form. Okay. Both will be in present tense only. Passive, object plus is, am, are. In this three, one will be used. Auxiliary verb plus V3, past participle form. Present continuous is, am, are. That is verb ing form, continuous form. This will become object plus has or have plus been. When it is in continuous, it will be taking been plus V3, past participle. Okay. Present perfect, that is has or have plus been plus V, verb ing form, continuous form. Not used commonly. Active forms, we normally don't change this, but don't worry, if we try, we can do it. No issues. Doubts arise here because you get entangled as it is difficult to change. No issues. Once you practice these two previous rules, third rule, naturally you can accompany it. Let me tell you. She is cooking rice. Okay? Rice is being cooked by her. She writes beautiful poems. Beautiful poems are written by her. He has done homework. Homework has been done by him. Okay. Now this examples suit here. Now next. Simple past V2 form, object plus was or were. Children, this table is for simple present tense. Clear? Now, you will feel similar with the past tense as you have already learnt the chapter tenses. You feel these rules familiar. So, don't get confused. Concentrate on the examples because now you are good in tenses. You can do it naturally if you have practiced the tenses chapter. See, simple past V2 form, past tense, object plus was or were plus V3. V3 again past participle. Past continuous ing form with past tense, that is was or were plus verb ing form. It will be like object plus was or were plus being plus V3 form. Past participle past perfect had plus V3. Object plus had plus been plus V3. Past participle had plus been plus verb ing form. Again this one not used commonly. She was cooking rice. See, here in present tense it was is. In past tense it became she was cooking rice. The rice was being cooked by her, or rice was being cooked by her. Fine. She wrote, write became wrote now. She wrote beautiful poems. Beautiful poems were written. Okay, were written by her. He had done homework. Homework had been done by him. That's it. Now, simple future. Will or shall plus V1 form. Object plus will shall plus be plus V3 form. Future continuous. Will or shall plus be plus verb ing form. Not common in passive. Again, future tense. In that, this is not common. Future perfect. Will or shall plus have plus V3. Object will or shall plus have been plus V3. Again, future perfect is not used commonly to change from active to passive. So, you can skip it. Now, she will write beautiful poems. Okay? Beautiful poems were written by her. Correct, no? Yeah. He will have done homework. Homework will have been done by him. This one, please practice as it is important for exam. Fine. Now, look at these examples. Here, we will be touching the adverbs now. She will write poems beautifully. Poems will be beautifully written by her. That's it. Beautifully. Adverb goes just before V3 form. Fine. He handled the load carefully. The load was carefully handled by him. Passive of yes or no questions. Can you speak English? Can English be spoken by you? Fine. Yes or no? Answers both will suit. Has he helped them? Yes. Have they been helped by him? Yes. You can accompany the given sentence as it is asked. Did you help him? Was he helped by you? Do or does plus subject plus V1 plus object is equal to is or am or are plus object plus V3. This is the rule. Okay. Did plus subject plus verb 1 plus object active voice is equal to was or were plus object plus V3. Now, again, are they planting trees? Are trees being planted by them? You can add this or you can skip it. Did they tell anything? Was anything told by them? Naturally, it is understood. If they are skipping, it is by them. Okay. If only passive voice is given, you have to use they. Didn't he buy anything? Wasn't anything bought by him? See, he, him. This is used. Will he bring the books? Will the books be bought by him? Passive of WH question. Are they planting trees? Are trees being planted by them? Again, they have skipped it. So, make one habitual practice to remember this, that in case if the doer is missing in the object, it will be by them. Means in subject it will be they. In subject means in active voice. Who questions are changed in two ways. Who opened the door? Who was the door opened by? By whom the door opened by? Normally, we are stick to use by whom was the door opened. Passive of WHO question. Who opened the door? Who was the door opened by? By whom was the door opened? The rule is given. Passive imperative. Open the door. Let the door be opened. Let plus object plus be plus V3. Let him open the door. Let the door be opened by him. Let plus object plus be plus V3 plus by plus subject. Voice change. Some examples, children. Virtually, I have explained the rules. Please make a note of that rules without missing, and please read out. You will get used when you write the examples, I am sure. But any doubts, you can contact me. Did you teach us? Okay. Were we taught by you? Fine. She has to prepare food. Food has to be prepared by her. Who told you about the accident? By whom were you told about the accident? People are destroying the jungle. The jungle is being destroyed by the people. No problem. Okay, they have skipped, but you can add. Children, here I have given you the rules of active and passive voice as simple as possible. Please practice it. Okay, thank you.